¿Qué pasa, mi amigas? In other words, what's up? Today we are making highlighters. Are y'all ready? Right now I have the DIY kit. Everything you need to make highlighters is in this kit, but right now I'm about to prep and show y'all what I have. So yeah, just watch. I'm about to show y'all just a sneak peek of what we working with. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Oh, baby, do you see the pigment? Before you make your highlighters, make sure you clean your area where you're gonna make your highlighters at, okay? You don't want no dust particles or anything in those highlighters when you're selling them. Before we get to making these highlighters, I want to show y'all the 20 and 30 gram highlighters. This is the 20 gram highlighter jars. That's the 30 gram highlighter jars, okay? Y'all following? So in the DIY kit, you're going to receive your highlighter tools, girl. So in here, you got your sifters. All right, show it off. And then, you know, you got your funnel in there, and I'm gonna tell you later on why I will not be adding funnels into the DIY kit. Here's the Sheesh pre-mixed highlighter packets. You will get 4 in your kit, okay? Just enough to fill all 8 20 gram jar highlighters. Okay, wait, so before we start making these highlighters, I do want to tell you guys that those jars right there, those are the 30 gram jars instead of the 20 gram jars. I mistakenly put the 30 gram jars in there. That's my. If you purchase your highlighter kit, you will get 20 gram jars, okay? So let's continue with the video. Oh, I'm putting on gloves right now, y'all. If you watched the video before this, then you already know the secret about these gloves, girl. I forgot to mention, the good thing about these jars is they're already sanitized, so they come already clean for you. Right now, I'm just pretty much prepping my highlighter jars. Now it's time for the fun part, actually adding the highlighter to the jars. Okay guys, so this is the exact reason why I will not be adding the highlighter funnels to the DIY kit, because as you can see, it clogs it up. This part is pretty much simple. All you're doing is adding your packet to your highlighter jar. Easy, right? If you would like to know the exact amount of highlighter you're putting in each container, definitely use a scale, okay? This helps so much. Set mine to 2 grams, so now every time I measure my highlighters, it's in grams. For the most part, I already know how much highlighter I want in each. I can kind of eye and tell, but just for video purposes, I'll show you guys exactly how I do that. So now that you're done with that, basically what you're gonna do right now is just add the sifter, which is this thing right here. Okay, you're just gonna add it on top of the jar. Last but not least, you wanna add your top, and guess what, girl? That's it. You're done. Now that's out the way, y'all, basically throughout the whole rest of the video, you'll just see me filling the rest of these jars. These are my highlighter samples. So if you're interested in getting a sample of how this highlighter actually is before buying the DIY kit or wholesale, make sure you click the link below, okay? I used all 4 highlighter packets and I still have just a little bit left in this one. So perfect, right? Drum roll, please. Ta-da! Here is the jars all filled. These are the sample highlighter jars. I've removed the gloves and now I'm just like cleaning my hands with Clorox wipes, and that is because I do not want the highlighter stuff off the gloves onto the tops of the jar. Sometimes highlighter goes on like the edge of the jars, so what I'll do is take like the Clorox wipe and clean it up, or a Q-tip and alcohol and clean around it. Now let's finalize these babies just by like cleaning the tops, making it a little shiny, cute, you know. We are coming to an end. Okay, this is the final project. I hope you guys enjoyed. You already know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, and that's it. Let's cut it.